So let's go ahead and create a video ad in Google Ads. Click on new campaign again. Choose the video from the campaign type and select a goal, whatever you like to choose. So I've chosen sales. Click continue. So it will be to drive conversions. Name the campaign. Again, you need to have a daily budget. So I'm gonna have a daily budget of $100. So again, standard delivery method. I'll want to maximize conversions. The networks where it can show up is YouTube videos. So video ads primarily targeted for Google's video network, which is YouTube. The languages, the location. So if you want, I can precisely choose to work only for ads to work only for Bengaluru. Now here is an inventory type. Due to sensitivity nature of videos, that is explicit and adult content, you can have to you have an option to choose 3 different types of inventories where your ads will show. So the first one being expanded inventory, whereas you see on screen, excessive profanity, graphic, sexual content and nudity is applicable. In standard inventory, you have repeated strong profanity, violence, either real or dramatized. So last one is limited. So you could choose based on your sensitivity of your ad. Some of the brands usually choose standard or moderate because they do not want to be showcased in other type of graphic content such as profanity, sexual or dramatized acts of violence or violence. So name the ad group. Now here is an opportunity to choose demographics as well as audience and 3 different types of targetings for your ad group. So you can use keywords. So I'm just trying to get keywords idea by trying to show you what kind of keyword ideas Google can populate for you based on your page. So you could see different keywords ideas which you can get from Google's page, your website page, based on Google's interpretation of your page. The other are topics and placements. So again, based on the topics, I can place my ad. I'm choosing food and beverage events. I can choose a couple more, food and drink. So you can choose based on the target audience interest topics to place your ad. So these categories the ad would be placed. So here is an opportunity where I can place my ad to a set of channels or a set of YouTube even videos and website and apps. Primarily if you are selling electronics such as mobile, for instance, you can place your ad in tech reviewer channels such as Geeky Ranjit, MKBHD, Unbox Therapy, etc. So this way what happens is your ad will be more targeted towards the audience who are relevant to your product. So this opportunity is a fantastic opportunity to showcase your ad to the right set of audience instead of showcasing to everyone. So this is pretty much useful, and as well as very kind of helpful in micro targeting your ad to a particular set of audience. So do go ahead and use this option when you're creating ad. Another important piece of information is you need to have your video ad ready and hosted on YouTube so that you can start advertising. Without that, you cannot go ahead with advertising. So remember to have your ad ready or ad spot ready for the advertisement. So it could be vary from 1 to 2 minutes of video. I would recommend to use between this timeline, because people may not like to keep viewing your video for a long time. YouTube gives a certain period of time for a user to review your video and click on it. So ensure it is not more than 1.5 to 2 minutes of video, and keep your ad crisp and simple messaging so that it is very clear and it is very clickable or very likable for a user who's gonna view the ad. I'm not gonna select any placement for now. However, I have explained how to you can use it to place your ad. Now here is your YouTube ad which you can which you need to add. If you do not have an ad at this moment, you can upload it later. So I'm gonna do that. Ensure your YouTube ad is available and hosted on YouTube. So you can skip it for now. For this purpose of demo, I'll skip it. However, in case you want to have or get your video created, you always can have approach the expert, or if you are good at creating video ads, you can create by yourself. So I've skipped this step. Rest all is same. So you can go ahead and run your campaign once your video is added to your campaign. So this is how we create video ad, that is YouTube ads for a video campaign which you would like to run on YouTube. One piece of important information is that you need to set up the conversion actions before you can proceed with your video ads campaign. So please do so as shown in the demo video. Set up the conversion action or add the conversion tag in your web property for the global as well as for the thank you page or the end of action page once the user completes the action.